Hey, Vicky.
Hey, John. I'm working on the poster for the SER conference.
The research that we do in DCEG and around the National Cancer Institute relies on training the next generation of scientists. And this incredibly symbiotic mentoring relationship between a fellow and their mentor creates a ripple effect.
This is Vicky's paper. There we go. You did a great job with this paper.
Thank
It
you.
really came together nicely.
It's nice to see this finally getting published. I've just learned a lot from John and also other PIs and staff.
Okay, let's jump right to it.
So my goal is to finalize the analysis of the genotype first approach using the UK Biobank and the Geising cohorts.
Working with Bio made me realize that a mentor-mentee relationship can be as colleagues. So she does see me as a colleague. She always asks for my opinion on things, on the analysis. So I am learning from her. She also is learning from me.
I guess the reality is somewhere in the middle then. We're all learning together. And I think in a mentor-mentee relationship, and this is what I've seen in my mentor-mentee relationship since I joined the branch almost 10 years ago, is that there is a level of independence that is expected of you, but there's also a level of guidance that you will receive to achieve that independence.
Fellows have the opportunity to really dig into a field they're interested in and develop independent lines of research.
Sharon allows the independence to work with my project and make it my own. I love that because a lot of times in certain research situations, you kind of have to put yourself in a box. I published the first author paper in December of 2021. It was amazing. I was so excited.
One of the greatest pleasures of my job is mentoring the next generation of cancer epidemiologists. I love their enthusiasm. I love it when they make new discoveries. And I love watching them realize that their work can actually make a difference in protecting the public's health.
What excites me the most is the impact that it can have within the agricultural workers, but the broader impact as well, so the public health relevance of it.
Ruth and I have co-mentored many fellows. Hard to count, but that's one of the most fun things I think about working together. In particular is the transdisciplinary nature of our work, and I think we make a good team.
Her scientific ideas complement my strength, which is the very nitty-gritty side of the work, because I tend to be very obsessive when it comes to the data.
Oh wow, that's really interesting, that you have much stronger association for those younger patients.
There is a real support in helping you, not only on the project that I am conducting with her, but also in thinking about my next steps.
What about this?
To be very close to these very well-known scientists, suggesting something about my project or giving me a comment, and I think this is real, it's a privilege, really.
Goodness. Do you know how many? You
Only
mean
the
like
last
that we've
4 years.
co-mentored?
Co-mentored. Over the years, how many?
Since 2006, I'd say tons. Yeah. I don't know, honestly.
Countless.
Legions. We have co-mentored legions of fellows together.
Yeah. So like our fellows are mentoring fellows that we
are the
trained.
grandmothers of my fellows now. I can retire.